pairs of equation. Today I am discussing problems in page number 36. Fourth question. A 3.5 meter long rod is to be cut into two pieces. One piece is to be bent into a square and the other an equilateral triangle. Length of their sides must be the same. How should it be cut? We are cutting a 3.5 meter long rod into two pieces. So we took the two length to be equal to x and y. Using this we can write the first equation, that is the length of the two pieces, that is x plus y is equal to 3.5. 3.5 or otherwise we can write it as 3.5. Now you are given the first piece is bent into a square. From that what did you understand? This x is going to be the perimeter of the square. Okay. Similarly, y is going to be the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Okay. Now we are given one more condition. Length of their sides must be the same. That is, we can understand side of the square should be equal to the side of the equilateral triangle. Now what can you say about the side of the square? Side of the square would be perimeter of the square, which is x divided by 4. Is it okay? Is equal to side of an equilateral triangle. We know y is going to be the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. So each side of the equilateral triangle is y divided by 3. Now using this, let us write the second equation. Let us cross multiply so that you will get 3x is equal to 4y, or otherwise we can write 3x minus 4y to be equal to 0. Let us name this as our second equation. Now what we have to do? We have to solve the second and the first equation. Now let us multiply the first equation with 4 so that you will get 4x plus 4y is equal to 4 into 3.5 gives you 14. Let us name this as our first equation. Why did I multiply with 4? So as to eliminate the y term. Is it clear? Now we know one term is negative, another term is positive. Let us add the two equations. So what do you get? 3x plus 4x gives you 7x. Minus 4y cancels with plus 4y is equal to 0 plus 14 is equal to 40. So we got 7x is equal to 40. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 14 by 7, which is equal to 2. So we got x is equal to 2, which is nothing but the first piece. X is equal to 2 meter. We can write the answer as x is equal to 2 meter and y is equal to, what is y now? 2 plus y is equal to 3.5. So y will be equal to 3.5 minus 2, which gives you 1.5 meter. How should it be cut? So we can say it should be cut into 2 meter and 1.5 meter so as to form a square and an equilateral triangle. Come to the fifth question, children. You have studied distance travelled is denoted as S and the formula is S is equal to ut plus half at square. An object moving in this manner travels 10 meter in 2 seconds and 28 meter in 4 seconds. With what speed did it start? At what rate does its speed change? we have to find out the initial speed, which is represented as u, and also we have to find out the rate, which is represented as a. Let us form two equations using the given condition. S is equal to 10 meter. So we get 10 is equal to 2 seconds is the time. So you get 2u plus half a t is 2 square. From this we get 10 is equal to 2u plus 1 2 cancels with a2. So you get 2a. So our first equation is 2u plus 2a is equal to 10. This is our first equation. Now 28 meter in 4 seconds. So here we get 28 is equal to 4u plus half into a into 4 square. That is 28 is equal to 4u plus 1 2 cancels with 4 square, that is 16. So 16 becomes 8a. So what is our second equation? 4u plus 8a is equal to 28. Now in the first equation you get 2a plus 2u. Here you got 4u. So what we can do? Let us keep this equation as the second equation and let us multiply all terms of the first equation with 2. So that you get 4u plus 2 into 2. 4a is equal to 10 into 2, 20. Now let us subtract the first equation from the second equation. 4u minus 4u, 0. 8a minus 4a gives you 4a. 28 minus 20 gives you 8. So you got a is equal to 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. So we got the value of a is equal to 2. Now let us substitute a is equal to 2 in our first equation, so as to get the value of u. So 2u plus 2 into a value I am substituting here is equal to 10. That is 2u plus 4 is equal to 10. 2u is equal to 10 minus 4, 6, or u is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So the first part of the question, with what speed did it start? So our initial speed is 3 meter per second. At what rate does its speed change? Speed changes by 2 meter per second. Come to the third question, children. A worked out example in your textbook. Price of 2 pen and 3 notebooks is 40 rupees. And the price of 2 pen and 5 notebooks is 60 rupees. You are asked to find the cost of a pen and a notebook. I took the price of pen to be x and notebook to be y, and let us frame two equations. So we can write 2 pens, that is 2x plus 3 notebooks, 3y is equal to 40. This is our first equation. Then 2 pens and 5 notebooks, that is 2x plus 5y is equal to 60 rupees. This is our second equation. Now if you see, the x coefficients are the same. So it is easy to eliminate our x term if you subtract the second equation from the first equation. So let us change the sign. Throughout I am changing the sign. So what do you get here? 2x minus 2x cancels. 3y minus 5y gives you minus 2y is equal to 40 minus 60 gives you minus 20. Our next step, y is equal to minus 20 by minus 2, which is equal to 10. We got the value of y to be equal to 10. Let us substitute y is equal to 10 in our first equation. So if you substitute y as 10, you get 2x plus 3 into 10 is equal to 40. That is 2x is equal to 40 minus 3 into 10, 30. 2x is equal to 10, or otherwise x is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. From this, what did you get? Price of pen is going to be 5 rupee, and price of notebook, which is y, is equal to rupees 10. More questions we will discuss in our next video, children. Please share your doubts and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.